Alright guys and girls, welcome back, and let's see, it's early today, but let's see what we get from this unemployment today. Alright, so let's jump to the charts quickly. I know news is coming out soon. Let's just go to an hourly quick and see what we can mark out. Alright guys, I think we might go for this targets down here today. And the reason I say that is, I mean, there was a lot that happened yesterday. We tested this IFEG again, and it's pretty sideways. There's buy side up here, but I think the sell side is definitely looking juicy to me. So let's see, and that's the fair value gap over here. I mean, there's sell side, a lot of sell side down here, but for now, let's just keep an eye on it. So obviously, my bias is bearish because of this IFEG, and yeah, so I think we want to go down here. So my targets today is definitely going to be this. Let's go down to this target, just 2240 level. 2240 level is going to be my target. Just want to put that quickly on this chat so we can move forward. Okay, so target for today is 22040. It can go beyond that, but I think that's pretty much a good target for me, and that's what I'm going to hunt today, for the reason of all of this that happened up here. We could see it go up there, but this fair value gap or IFEG is telling me we want to go. Well, I'm still bearish with that in mind, so let me know your levels. Right, let's leave it there and let's see. Okay guys, I'm leaving off my camera. It's just for my computer. I'm sorting it out, so just bear with me. Alright, let's pop into the 1 minutes and let's see what happened. Alright, so you guys can see we've just taken this equal highs here. QH. We've taken these lows here and we're pretty much in the middle. So all I want to see now is what price is going to do at 8:30. Okay, so let's see how much money we can make today. I don't mind seeing price running up and create some sort of a setup up here to go lower. That would just be good for me to take it in line with my sell side that's awaiting us. Right, 1 more minute to go. Okay, there's some nice equal lows here, guys. Just before the news comes out. EQLs. So that's definitely a target for shorts. We might just smash through it straight away. Okay, let's see. Lots of reason to go lower. There's some nice equal highs here. Not the type of candle that I anticipated here, but I guess it is what it is. Let's see if we get anything up here. Equal lows. Sorry, equal highs. Equal lows here. Let's see. High, lower high, so I expect lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So I might just take a little sneaky trade here. Just target it there. Let's see if that push wants to work down. See if we can get this to break these lows. The only thing I'm counting on here is we consolidate, we ran liquidity there, there's liquidity down here. I know there's equal highs up here. Could go all the way there, then it's fine. But we made a high, we made a lower low, lower high, and now I want to see a lower low and leave that high there. And if it stops me out, it's not the end of the world. Come on, push down. Put the pressure on. Price is stuck there now. Let's see if there's anything on this side. So we see lower highs here forming, but we'll see higher lows here. We sometimes indicate a spike in a direction and reverse to take both sides out. And I was hoping for this candle where I entered to go lower. And obviously we didn't get that. So I'll just sit and see if these highs wants to hold price and not go through it. Right, now let's sell it off. Come on. Let's do it. Let's take it. Alright, so while we wait for this thing to do whatever it wants to do, those that's new here, so we've run these equal highs, we've put new equal highs here, but we've got nice equal lows down here, and that's probably where I think we should go to. And then we've got all this liquidity down here, and that's where I think we're going to go to. That's why I've got my 2240 level as a target today. And let's just keep an eye. So the actual news candle wasn't a big candle, it's a tiny candle, so I expected something more. These lows here is important. We're making equal highs here and lower highs, building up liquidity. I would like to see us break this low down here to go all the way to our target down here. I've put my stop just above this high because I think that's a main high. That's a main high, so I could bring this down to there. And hopefully we'll see something going lower. Only problem with this move here is got equal highs here, lower high, but we're also making higher lows, and that could, you know, squeeze people in and then manipulate into a direction and then move the other way. So for now we just have to wait. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do right now. It is early, so I'm not too worried. We could run both this highs and these lows before 9:30 and then do the actual move from 9:30, or we can just sidetrack, you know, go sideways with this till 9:30 and then do what it needs to do. I would like this trade to obviously get completed before 9:30 and not sit around and wait for that time. Okay, let's see if we're gonna hold here. Just so you know why I took this trade here, it was on this black candle here. We made lower highs and a lower low. So I thought this is the high. We can enter here and we'll go there, but then price obviously had its own minds. So there was no fair value gap or anything that I was looking for. And I was just looking for liquidity to liquidity. And because we've taken these equal highs out already, I thought there's an opportunity to go lower, but we can see price goes spike into these equal highs and then drop. And I guess if we hold on long enough to this trade, we'll see. Okay, I think we're going to see some acceleration to the top side. So, just waiting patiently. I do think we're going to run those highs first. Alright, so there we're out of that trade, and that was expected. Okay, so now it's just waiting and see what we're going to do from here. I probably would have taken that trade again because I've seen it so many times where you make lower highs, lower lows, and then we continue in a direction of the opposite. I mean, this is a good sign that we didn't close above there, so let's see how this candle closes. Guys, let me know your thoughts on the market today. Is there any specific levels that you're looking to target today, or are you sitting on the side? Right, for now I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm not touching anything. Normally if I don't stream this, I mean, I would most probably walk away from this. And just because of the candle that presented itself was so tiny, and yeah, so it's not giving me anything. And if you look at these candles, 1 minute candles, it's moving up, it fills the candle, moves up, fills the candle, moves up, fills the candle. So there's no fair value gaps here. There's nothing in here that tells us we want to turn around and go down now. And the minute you see price action is, I mean, I'm not going to look at this fair value gap here because there was liquidity here. I want to see some fair value gap get inverted up here to indicate that we want to go back to the opposite liquidity. But nothing stands out right now, so nothing to do yet. Alright, so while this thing is doing what it wants, let's have a look at, let's just jump back to that hourly chart again, and just take it, this inverted fair value gap, hold price to the T. Even if you look at these two candles here, if you look at the top end of that inverted fair value gap, it refused price to go higher. There's equal highs there, but I think the sideways moves holding this IFG, that's my bearish indication. With liquidity down here, I mean, that's where I think we want to go. We're pretty much in the middle of the range at this point, so we could go anywhere. But I think, not to think like a retail trader, but this IFG is my resistance level, and we literally tried twice to get through it, and we didn't really get through it. So will it go? I mean, it could easily get through it. I'm just saying, for what I'm looking for, I'm pretty confident to stick to my bias to the downside until something else happens. And I mean, above this we've got higher highs. I don't think we want to go there right now. I think we'll go there, but if you go back to a 4-hour chart, you will see this. I mean, if you just look at this, there's like so much sell side here. I mean, all these lows, there's equal lows there. I mean, there's equal lows down here. This is a very deep premium I think we're in right now, and I'll be very surprised if we not seeing price dip down into these liquidities at least. So I mean, the 2240 level is my level. I mean, there's plenty room there to make money today, so you don't have to take a trade and take it all the way down to all this other liquidities. If you just look at the low hanging fruit will obviously be these equal highs at this 2290 level. Yeah, so now it's just a matter of sit back, not relax, but wait. We've run these equal highs now, and I'm not going to take a short here yet, because there's nothing in here that tells me sell. I mean, if this is a swing low and we form a new swing high here that's lower than this one, I might look for a short. Then we have to break that low and then go target these lows all the way down here. But again, no fair value gaps, so I can't even draw anything out. This black candle here, it would be great if we can go up here and create the swing high and then go down. Alright, so we've taken this swing low out now, so let's see if we can get a lower high form here.